Data in Action is a unique opportunity for young people. PREPKC has constantly been in touch with our business and industry leaders to really understand where the opportunities are and what's needed. Data analytics came up a lot, and so we decided that that was a place for us to design a way to make data part of what kids can learn.
Data in Action is a course that really helps students build data literacy skills and understand how to be effective problem solvers in today's society.
Data in Action is a very fun class. It's challenging. At the end, it's really worthwhile. And I've learned how to use data to help me become better.
Taking a course like this, it's really something that you will want to do because it's definitely a good career field to get in.
We felt like Data in Action in the 8th grade was a perfect opportunity because 8th grade is really that springboard going into freshman year. So we really feel like the course could really help students prepare for high school.
Students need to know how to read, interpret, and understand data and ask the right questions. So Data in Action is essential.
We really felt like society is kind of at a tipping point right now with data being present in pretty much every industry. AI is starting to come into the fold. So the question was, how do we help students build those skills?
This Data in Action project really ignited something for our kids because when I saw the first set of data that came out, you see improvement in mathematics, in literacy, and in the science areas directly correlates to the work that we were doing. And that's what excites me about being part of this project.
It inspired me to want to get more into data and really study and research just everything around the world.
I think that's always what I'm excited about is students finding out about something that they didn't even know they were passionate about. But I think the most exciting feedback that I received was from teachers.
I believe Data in Action is turning education to what it can be. Let's tap into our creativity and still learn. I normally say education is the passport to success, but Data in Action is the ticket to your passport. They have definitely opened their mind to the opportunities they didn't realize that was out here.
Ultimately, it allows students to develop skills that will help them in any industry, but it'll really help them as they begin to think about possible careers in data science.
It changed me because I really wanted to be in business, but now I'm really thinking about like data science because this class basically brought me to like colleges and let me like see what people are doing. It's a very unique course. I love this course. It's like the one course that I really love in school. Like I'm glad to go to this class every day.
I think this is opening up a whole nother lane for students to investigate. Pretty much any industry that you can think of deals with information, data.
One of the things that data can do in a larger sense is to help us focus and think critically about, well, what is an impactful decision? What's something I could be doing?
The Data in Action class made me think about being more observant.
I think it's amazing, the confidence for some of my kids and that confidence they're taking forward with them. And then all of a sudden they're like, maybe I do want to look at going into a program that will allow me to use this or listing this as a criteria that they can do.
Honestly, I want to be a data analyst. I found it really interesting, and thanks to Ms. Ellis, it was really helpful, and I honestly gotta thank her.
Something that I learned about myself was that I like to code. It was a really good experience.
It just prepared me to see what challenges I'm gonna have in the future.
I look at the world very differently now that I took the course.
If you curious about everything, I feel like this class would be good. It'll open up more pathways for you.
It's a phenomenal experience for students. It's so incredible, and when you see those students, they have so much pride about what they're learning about. And so to have this opportunity as an 8th grader is absolutely incredible.
This is an area that is going to continue to evolve, and so it's not just a stagnant course, it's going to continue to evolve based upon what is happening out in the world.
Data in Action is opportunity.
Game changer, special, exciting.
Innovative,
inspirational,
challenging, revolutionary.
Data in Action is the future.